That was a quick one. Third rank match of the night. Yes! Come on! Let me get a win today. Can I get a win today? Can I get a win? We're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link it to the frames. Round 1. Duel. Emancipator. What? What is the analyzer? Well, infinite impermanence. Negated. Off the magnet warrior. What does this guy do? Gamma, the electromagnet warrior. Okay. Magnet induction. I'm gonna time out reading these. Or lower. This guy, rock. Oh, it rocks. What the Oh, what? Oh, what? Can I? Oh, okay. Drolling Lockbird. Talents, come on. Take control of my monster. Not gonna lie, the webcam, me seeing myself, is kind of distracting. I don't know. I think he's got this one. No, there's a rock. Here you go for Boral Sword and that's it. GG. Well, if he attacks, never mind. It's gonna go for Nutria Beast, which negates the spell. Oh, a spell. I don't only negate spells. What? Come on. With the spell card. So I got a quick effect. Oh, graveyard effect. Almost summon Diviner. Activate effect. Sent to the graveyard. See, it looks smaller right here. I go like this. It's bigger. Biggest. Smallest. This box here. Oh, let's duel wins. You knew I was gonna go for the Dragoon. What the f. See, look, I can save the replay now since it didn't disconnect. There are times when triple Dark Ruler just I think I'm good. Not even gonna side. Also being recorded without my consent kind of bugs me. At least I'll let you know. Is it your or your? Oh shit. Joel and Lockbird. He always has talent. What the fuck was that? What was my what was that? What? Diviner of Herald. Was that Diviner? Guess so. Uh-oh. It's over. Wow, that is not a once per turn. Jesus Christ. What? Wow, Nutria Beast. This is ridiculous. I should have chained it. Oh my god. It's over. All I could do now is set my mirror force. This is the avocado smoothie. Smoothie. Oral sword. There it is. This guy's 3,000 attack. Holy crap. Attack with Berserkion. Oral sword. Activate, put in defense. This guy's in defense, right? Or an attack? Okay. Attack, GG, come on. Oh, the cam is hilarious. Oh my god. gromm12 wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Come on. Round 3. Dude. Cyber emergency for Zeta. Alpha Zeta. Ah, fuck. Zeta Delta. Delta. Ah, tribute. Effect, reveal. Toro. Overlay. Activate. Gamma. Diviner effects, enter graveyard. Herald of Arclight effect. Add 2 hand. Let's duel wins. I didn't even have. Yeah. Whatever. I think he quit too early. I never quit. Well, never say never, but. What happened if he times out or disconnects? I don't want to lose my rank. Where we're at 1462, 1482, went up by 20, 173, 174. Nice. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.